Hello, 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 hello. Good day to all of you. Good day to all of you. Okay, once again, this is your teacher, Tur Ayuban, and I would like to present to you Mathematics 8. Again, this is Mathematics 8. We have Quarter 3, Module 4, Lesson 1. Title, we have SAS Congruence Postulate. Side, angle side, congruence postulate. That is the title of our topic today. We have the objective. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to identify included side or included angle of a triangle. So you are going to identify included side or included angle of a triangle. We have now the concept of the side angle side congruence postulate. So take note. In naming angles, you have two ways. Use one or three letters. Now, for example, we have the angle ABC. You can rename it to what? We have angle CBA. Lipat nyo lang yung letters and you can rename the angle. And you can rename the angle in three letters by using only one letter. So that will be angle B, which is usually the center of the three-letter angle, or which is the intersection of the two sides of the angle or the vertex. So you can use one letter, that is angle ABC, and rename it to angle CBA. And that would be angle B. That is on how to rename angles in the given triangle or we have measured. Take note again that in naming sides, you have two ways. Example. So if you're given one side, which is side FR, you can rename it to side RF. Again, if you are given side FR, you can rename it as side RF. So, imo lang gihapon nga, gibali. And that is on how to name sides in the given situation. Now, before we study the postulates that give some ways to show that the two triangles are congruent given less number of corresponding congruent parts, let us first identify the parts of a triangle in terms of their relative positions. Again, before we study the postulates that give some ways to show that the two triangles are congruent given least number of corresponding congruent parts, let us first identify the parts of a triangle in terms of their relative positions. So we have, what do you mean by included angle? What do you mean by included angle? Included angle is the angle between two sides of a triangle. Again, included angle is the angle between two sides of a triangle. For example, what is the included angle between side TO and side OR? What is the included angle between side TO and side OR? So, looking at through the two sides, we have side TO and side OR. What is the common letter there? So that is on how to name included angle. Again, in the two sides, we have side TO and side OR. What is a common letter there? We have? Yes, the common letter of the two sides is we have O, and that will be called as angle O is the included angle between side CO and side OR. Now, we have already studied the included angle. This time, we have, what do you mean by included side? What do you mean by included side? Included side is the side common to the two angles of a triangle. Included side is the side common to two angles of a triangle. Example. Okay. What is the included side between angle S and angle O? What is the included side between angle S and angle O? So this time, for you to answer quickly, you are going to look at the two angles in one letter. So we have angle S and angle O. This time, you are going to use the two letters. We have S and O, and have it side SO is included side between angle S and angle O. The included side given the two angles is the included side between angle S and angle O. So we have now, again, the same triangle, and the question is, what is the included side between angle O and angle N? Again, there are two letters in the given angle, so you're going to use the two letters to make it the included side, and we have now side ON or side NO is included between angle O and angle N. Another, we have this same triangle are asked to find the included side between angle S and angle N. This time we have what's more. So I will give you quiz this time. So here is the problem. Draw triangle FOR and answer the following questions. Draw triangle FOR and answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the included angle between side FO and side OR? Number 2. What is the included angle between side FR and side FO? The same problem we have, you're going to draw triangle FOR and answer the following questions. We have number 3. What is the included angle between side FR and side RO? Number 4. What is the included side between angle F and angle R? Same problem, you're going to draw triangle FOR and answer the following questions. Number 5. What is the included side between angle O and angle R? And we have number 6. What is the included side between angle F and angle O? What is the included side between angle F and angle O? So we have now the solution. You are going to draw the triangle FOR. And the question is, what is the included angle between side FO and side OR? Again, to have your quick answer, you are going to find the common letter of the given sides, and we have now side FO and side OR. The common there is O, so the answer here is angle O is the included angle between side FO and side OR? Other questions? So, okay, question. What is the included angle between side FR and side RO? Again, to have your quick answer, you are going to get the common letter of the given sides. So, the answer here is angle R is the included angle between side FR and side RO. You have the same triangle FOR. Number 4. What is the included side between angle F and angle R? What is the included side between angle F and angle R? So in this case, you are going to find the two letters of the two angles and use this as your answer. And we have now side FR or side RF. So we have side FR or side RF is the included side between angle F and angle R. The same triangle FOR. Question. What is the included side between angle O and angle R? Again, to have your quick answer, you are going to use the two letters of the two angles. And the answer here is side OR or side RO is the included side between angle O and angle R. And finally, for letter A, you have your drawing triangle FOR, and the question is, what is the included side between angle F and angle O? Again, to have your quick answer, use the two letters of the two angles. We have, the answer is side FO or side OF is the included side between angle F and angle O. Let's go to letter B. Complete the congruence statement using the side angle side congruence postulate. Letter B. Complete the congruence statement using the side angle side congruence postulate. So we have here the figures. We have number 1. You are going to complete the congruence postulate of triangle BIG is congruent to, what is the name of the triangle? Again, in the figure 1, we have two triangles. Your first triangle is triangle BIG, and find the congruent angle in the second triangle. So we have now, what is the congruent angle of BIG? The congruent angle of BIG is with FAT, or we have triangle FAT. And number 2, you're going to find the congruence angle of triangle, we have triangle ABO. So from the two triangles at the right, we have now the congruent triangle of triangle ABO is, we have triangle DCO. Triangle DCO. That is, we have the answer of letter B. We have number 1, triangle FAT or triangle FAT. And number 2, we have triangle DCO. Just hope you have already mastered on how to find the included angle of the two sides and finding the side of the given two angles, and also how to find the congruent triangles of the given triangles. And it's the end of my presentation. That is all about quarter 3. We have module 4, lesson 1. We have angle side congruence postulate. So, for those who are not subscribing yet my YouTube channel, please subscribe and please do not forget to hit the notification bell for some updates of my videos. This is your teacher, Torban, saying thank you and babu. Love you. For more videos, please click here and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.